Yeah, what is up YouTube? My name is Tyrus from TBC Phone Repair Pro. We repair iPhones, iPads, Macbooks. We are the leading SS cell phone repair company. We recover data. We also repair the latest Huawei devices. As you can see, I'm just reading some of these devices that came in from different parts of the country. Like this is actually from here, Bethlehem. That's where we are based. Screen replacement. And this one is from David. It's completely dead, but the customer needs his data because he said there's very important information in this phone, so he can't manage to lose the data. Well, talking about data, there's this device here that fell into a toilet and it's got very important information as well. So this guy said, no, please man, I really need this information. I don't want to lose the information. He claims that he gave it to different cell phone repair technicians and they couldn't be able to fix it. As you can see signs of water there, signs of liquid damage. As you can see there, signs of liquid damage. If you go down here, oh, that is bad. Well, this device is fixed now. It took us almost like an hour. Yeah, going through the rabbit holes, and at last we managed to fix the device. Well, this one also not turning on. Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, it's not turning on. Well, the customer needs his phone. That's the only phone that he has, he said. So we'll fix this device. The good thing is that at TBC Phone Repair Pro, we're not randomly chance taking. We know what we do and we do what we know. We're professionals. So, for example, this device needs a charging block. It needs a charging pin replacement. But looking visibly, I see that the phone, it's broken. The screen is broken. So this guy says that he went to different cell phone repair shops to put the charging pin, but they said they cannot put the charging pin since the screen is broken. But don't worry, we still open it as it is without actually causing further damage to the device. We can change the charging pin. Well, maybe you might be asking, why would other repair shops say they can't fix a simple charging pin on this device? The reason is, this is J8+. So for a person to fix a charging system in this phone, he has to open the screen. Lift the screen up, you get the screws under the screen. So that is not a challenge that most repair shops are willing to take. But we at TBC Phone Repair Pro, that's what we do daily. That's our daily work. Well, this is an iPhone 7 Plus coming from another repair. Well, coming from a customer who gave the phone to another repair shop. So they said they couldn't be able to fix it, but what we noticed under the microscope is that the phone has been butchered. Anyway, I'm not saying this so that the customer might fight with the previous repair company, but as you can see, the phone has been badly butchered and you see flags everywhere. I'm not going to tell the customer that the other repair company almost butchered the phone because I don't want to cause havoc. But we'll fix this phone, we'll take care of that, we'll give this customer a working device. So that is it. If you have a phone and you want to fix it, TBC Phone Repair Pro is your go-to cell phone repair shop. If you have a MacBook, you have a laptop that needs to be fixed, don't delay, send it to TBC Phone Repair Pro. The link to our website is in the description below, www.tbcphonerepairpro.co.za. We are based in the Free State, South Africa, Bethlehem to be specific. Bethlehem, Free State, South Africa. Thank you, have a nice day, shalom.